Hey E14 community, in this video we will cover how the bald engineer can hack like heck in less than 60 seconds. How would I answer Ben's viewer request? Well, I want to play PlayStation games, so that means I need to use a Pi 3 instead of the Model A or Pi 0. Does the bald engineer really have the necessary skills? Well, let's see. I'm an engineer, I have a popular blog and YouTube channel. I've even made a video for Element 14 in the past. I've taken and taught many classes at Makerspaces, which means I am no stranger to tools like CAD, CNC, and 3D printing. Heck, I even use a lightsaber to fix my laser cutter. Also, my written and video work reaches professional engineers. Some of my personal projects include a RetroPie and a Super Famicom, a binary clock, and a quadcopter built from scratch. Follow my build progress on my Element 14 blog. Now, if you'll excuse me, I need to go do some designing to meet the deadline.